So a platform that promises you free money for the shopping that you already do. Seems a little too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about the Rakuten platform. Okay, we're talking what is Rakuten, we're talking how it works, and we're talking about all of the stuff you need to know about how Rakuten actually makes money, as well as an overall evaluation of the platform and whether you should be using it. So let's dive right into it. And before we do, make sure you smash that like button and comment below your favorite breakfast food for the YouTube algorithm. Let's get into it. So starting off, what is Rakuten? Okay, Rakuten was formerly known as Ebates. If you've heard of Ebates before, it's the same thing. They just kind of rebranded here. And what this platform is it's a cashback portal where you can earn anywhere from 1% to 40% cashback on the purchases you make through this portal. So essentially they partner with big retailers like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Target, who say to Rakuten, okay, we'll give you this percentage commission when you send people to our store, and then Rakuten is basically going to give you a cut of that commission that the big retailer pays them. So you as the consumer are essentially getting free money for shopping through the Rakuten portal. The prices are the same. You're literally just going to the exact same store website. So the same Amazon.com, the same Walmart.com, Target.com, whatever. But just because you got there through Rakuten, they are getting cut, which they are splitting with you, of a commission from this company. Plus, they've also got a really sick referral program where you can get a free $20 just for signing up by using the link down below. But I'll have more info on that as we go. So that's kind of what Rakuten is. Now how does the platform actually work? So like I said, they're partnered with over 2,500 different retailers, and each of those retailers is going to set their own cashback percentage rate. And they can actually change this rate based on the different things that you buy. So say Target has a 5% overall rate, but then they have a 20% rate for furniture. So any furniture you buy at Target, they give you 20%, everything else gets 5%. And what's really cool about this is it actually stacks on top of your credit card rewards. So I'm always using credit cards. So when I'm using my credit cards, I'm getting a certain percentage cash back, plus I get my Rakuten cash back. So essentially, if I'm getting like say 5% on Amazon, I get another 5% from Rakuten. Now I'm getting 10% on Amazon without doing anything. You know, it's just the same shopping, but I just doubled the cash back because I did it through Rakuten. You're also able to, if you use an American Express card that earns membership reward points, you can choose to get your Rakuten cash back in the form of Amazon membership reward points, which according to the points guy are valued at 2 cents per point, which basically means you're getting double trouble when you convert those to Amazon membership reward points. Because the value with Amex points is that you can convert them to other points currency, say airline miles or hotel points or whatever. You can convert those Amex points into points that are more valuable. So that's another cool thing you can do. Personally, I don't use Amex, I use Chase, but if you do use Amex, it's a cool little perk there where you can really honestly triple dip on your points earned. You can get your credit card points, your Rakuten points, then convert those to credit card points. Like when I found out about Rakuten and just how it stacks on top of stuff, I just got super excited about it because you guys know I'm a huge credit card nerd. And so being able to combine my credit card points with my Rakuten points is just the more things that I can stack on top of each other, the happier I am. So this is honestly, I'm pretty stoked about this service. And I don't want this to sound like a commercial or anything, but I found out about them through my friend Brian Jung. He was over here crashing for a few days. And so he was telling me about Rakuten, and he's a huge credit dude himself. He's got a whole YouTube channel about credit cards. And so I found out about it through him. We were just nerding out about it. And now I just I had to make a video about it because I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. So essentially how the cashback works is every quarter, so every 3 months, they're going to cut you a check for all the cashback you earned over the last 3 months. Okay, so you're getting basically, they call it a big fat check. So you're getting a big fat check every 3 months, which is pretty nice. You can get that either via an actual check in the mail, or you can just get it deposited into your PayPal account. So that's how it works, but how do they actually make money? Okay, because this is something that you should know about any service that you use. How are they making money? Because Rakuten, it's not a charity, they're making some money here. And so let's break down the methods that they have, because they're actually making money in quite a few different ways. So like I said before, there are no fees or direct costs to you for using Rakuten. How this works is that the retailers pay Rakuten a percentage commission for all the sales they drive. Rakuten splits that with you. They keep some, you keep some, and that's their main money-making method. Now, in addition to that, they've also got a credit card, okay? Rakuten credit card where you can earn, I think it's an extra 3% on top of what you're getting from Rakuten. So you're kind of triple stacking again. You're getting 3% with that. So with that credit card, they're obviously making money on interest charges and interchange fees. So that is another business model that they have. They've also got Rakuten Hotels, which is very similar to their core service. They're essentially sending hotels traffic in exchange for cashback. So you can use their hotels portal, earn some cashback when you book hotel stays. The hotels pay Rakuten, Rakuten pays you. Same thing with Rakuten Dining, and same thing with Rakuten gift cards. So as you can see, they kind of have this whole web of just like different portals that you can use to buy things from food to hotels to random stuff online to gift cards. And so all of those kind of work in the same way, where Rakuten gets a commission, they split that commission with you, you get some, they get some, and that is how their business is structured. So personally, like I said, I am using Rakuten myself, and the rationale behind that is that I shop online and I like free stuff, okay? And I feel like if you fall into that camp where you meet both of those categories, it kind of just makes sense to do this because you're just getting free money for the spending you're already doing. And so with Rakuten, there's two ways to use it, okay? You can either go through their website and like use their portal to like go to these different websites and buy stuff, or what you can do, and what I do, is I got the Chrome extension, and essentially how this works is they're just kind of monitoring, like whenever you go to a website that they're partnered with, you get a little pop-up that says like, hey, you can earn X percentage back when you check out, and you just press yes. And then when you check out, you get that percentage cash back in your Rakuten account, boom, you're done. And so I think this makes a lot more sense because if you go through their website, their shopping portal, you could potentially end up spending more money because they're promoting deals at you, they're telling you buy this, buy that. And so that's their whole pitch to businesses is like, hey, we're gonna drive you more traffic, we're gonna get people to spend money with you. And so when you go through their website, you kind of let them win because you're potentially spending more money. But if you just get the Chrome extension, and then when you're on these websites, it'll tell you that you're gonna get money, and then you check out and you get money, that's where I see the real potential. That's how I see you can win with this, is if you're just like passively using it, you're not going through their website, you're not going through their portal, but you're just using it in the background and getting the money when you are already shopping at a place that offers basically the free money. And like I mentioned before, they have an absolutely killer referral program that you can use to make some extra money by basically helping your friends and family get free money, you get more free money. So how this works is if you use the link down below in the description, that's my referral link, you are going to get a free $20 when you spend $20 through the Rakuten platform essentially. So here's how this works. You go to Amazon, you have the Rakuten Chrome extension installed, you buy something for $20, okay? Rakuten gives you $20 of cash back because you made that purchase with the Chrome extension enabled. Boom, you've got $20 for free, and your pal Apple Crider gets some money to support the YouTube channel that we've got going on here. That's a double win. Then what you can do is you can refer your friends and family. When they spend $20, you are getting $20 as well. So you kind of are able to earn serious cash back through this if you've got some friends and family that you can sign up for this. And again, they don't even have to go through the Rakuten website. They can just get the Chrome extension installed. It'll get them free cash back when they're shopping, and you get free cash back as well. I promise you, it's not a pyramid scheme. It is really a solid service that you can use. It's very well established. You can check them out on the Better Business Bureau or Trustpilot or wherever. They've got really good ratings. They've been around for a long time. It's a really legit service. I can't really believe that I didn't hear about it sooner. But all in all, definitely gets the Apple Crider stamp of approval, and would definitely recommend checking it out, especially if you want to support what we're doing here on the channel. Now, the next thing you should do is click the subscribe button down below and check out this video over here where I talk about how you can get some more free stuff, specifically 3 free stocks, by signing up for the First Trade app. So if you like free stuff, I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, and I'll see you over there.